everyone, it's your boy Jay. Happy Valentine's Day. And today I got a new package and it's from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I'm really excited, so let's dive in. Okay, whoever did this boxing, they did a really good job at packing it because I'm having some difficulty. And if you had nails, I could not imagine how difficult it would be to get this box open. So, okay. Oh. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, finally. So, the products that I have are basically, I got the Jet Set Hydration Kit, 5 products. I also got a 16-hour camo concealer from e.l.f. in the shade Tan Neutral. A monochronic multi-stick sparkling rose. Okay, so for one, it does kind of look open on the side, so it looks like it kind of had a little bit of a rough travel, if you know what I mean. I'll put that guy over there. And also, there's lots of dust on this. I don't know if you can see this, but there is lots of dust. It's not looking too pretty. So, yeah. But this is the Flawless Finish Foundation from e.l.f. Okay, and I also got the Daily Brush Cleaner. This is what this guy looks like. And as well as, there's a lot of fallout on the product, so it does not really look too pleasing aesthetically, but we'll see if the product is actually good. So packaging, not cutting it for me, sadly. We'll see about the product. So this guy over here, fallout everywhere. So I got a 16-hour camo concealer. So I got the Tan Neutral, like I was saying, and I got the Deep Caramel. So these are the two, and it also has like a little applicator brush. And the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow, soft beige. I have used this product before and it is pretty good. Definitely recommend it to people, so we'll see if this guy and the shade is any good. So, and they gave me a Happy Hydration Cream, hemp-derived cannabis sativa. And this is from e.l.f. Yeah, I'll definitely give this a try, and if you're interested in any of the products and want to see how they're applied, stay tuned.